my last video, we have discussed about the 7 habits of millionaires and billionaires. Have you tried to pick any one or two of them and try to develop those habits in your life? If not yet, I am requesting you to please try to pick any one or two of them and try to develop those habits. Try to practice those habits in your life for at least 6 months consistently, and you will find a magical change in your life. You will find a drastical change in your personality, and this is the guaranteed process. Friends, I have added one more habit in my last video, and that one was the reading books. I know friends, whenever we are talking about reading books, we all are start to getting bored. We all are thinking that reading book habits is a boring habits. The people who have the habit of reading book are the boring people. But no, the people who have the habit of reading book are the most blessed people on this earth. Because if they can read 4 books a month, if they can read 50 or 60 books a year, they can get a massive amount of knowledge, they can get a massive amount of motivation in their life, and by that knowledge, by that motivation in their life, they can get the success in their life. I know friends, from our childhood, we have been told many times that book reading is a very good habit, but not a single time we have been taught how we can develop these habits in our life. And slowly and gradually we have developed some bad habits while reading books. Friends, we need to track those habits and eliminate those habits from our life. So are you ready to know that which type of bad habits we have developed? Let's start. If you are in a very comfortable situation, like you are taking rest, you are sleeping on your bed, please do not read books. Do not read books while you are not in a comfortable situations, like whenever you are walking, you are traveling by bus or car. Please avoid reading books. If you are feeling tired from a long day work, please avoid reading books. Do not read books in a physical distracting environment. Like if you are reading in the environment which is very hot, which is very cold, which is messy, do not read books. Poor lighting is also a distracting physical environment. Please avoid read books in poor lighting. Friends, you need to look after for your sitting postures while reading books. You are supposed to keep your spine straight and keep your book at 45-degree angle from your eyes. Do not read book in visual distracting environment. Like if you are reading books in a crowded place, if you are reading books while sitting in your drawing room where the TV is on and some interesting program is running on the TV, and you will get distracted by that program and you will lose the interest from your book. Please do not do this practice. Eating while reading is also a bad habit. Reading the same paragraph again and again is also a bad habit. Friends, sometimes we read the same paragraph again and again to catch that data which have been lost due to the lack of the concentration, and we try to catch that data, catch that content, and in that situation we read that paragraph again and again. Please do not do this practice while reading books. Please do not read multiple books at a time. Please do not read unrelated books whichever not related from your profession, from your hobby. Please do not read books while you are listening filmy songs. If you want to listen filmy songs, if you want to listen music while reading, listen some soft and calm musics without lyrics, and you will find this type of musics from YouTube. Please do not read loud because it will reduce the speed of reading. Read in your mind and you can speed up your reading by double or triple. So friends, find out whichever is yours from the list. I want to add one more thing, that if you are pick up a book to read, please try to complete that book within a week or at least within a 1.5 week. Do not extend to read that books for a month or for a year. Make some goals of reading. Make some goals like you will read 2 or 3 or 4 books a month, and try to develop this habit in your life. You will feel motivated every day. So friends, we will discuss more things about reading in my next videos, and we will discuss more motivational topics in my upcoming videos. So till then, stay connected, stay motivated, stay safe. Goodbye, good night.